guys, this is Breadcrumbs, and today we are all doing a toy review with you guys. To start off, we will be doing Num Noms. I really do not know what these are. They do not say on the box anything, so maybe there'll be a list inside. And who gets the honor to open these are Julie and Sophie. So let's open them. And Melly,
what is Sienna and Melina?
We are going to do the Squishy Pops, and then maybe one of them will do the other one because we have 3 Squishy Pops.
Melina says she's going to do the shopping.
Alright.
And I'm sorry.
And this is going to be a really short toy review, and it's going to be really short. They're opening them now. We don't know what we got, so let's just see. Go. Okay, go.
I will win.
First.
I will win.
Count, Melly.
I won.
No. Julie won.
Oh yeah. I will. Let's do it. I really won.
Okay, Melly, let's see the other.
Okay, come on. This one.
What is that?
It's like a little pink. Get out of here! And it has like a little thing inside of there.
This is the little one.
And then I guess you can
Lip
pop it open and then
this little bottom.
flip flop.
Add a pepper cone. Pick a num, add a num, and the pepper cone. Create your own wacky flavor combos. Wow. And this is the list. And which one did Sophia get? This one. Cherry chip. That's really cute. What are they? Lip balms?
Yeah.
They're lip balms.
Oh, that's so cute. So this is cherry chip, and this one has a bow on it, and then this one, orange blossom. That's really nice.
And then these are like regular things, and then you do the lip gloss up there like that.
This smells nice. And that is Betsy Bubblegum with this one, which is Tropical Go-Go.
We got everyone.
Sample them all. And that was our Nom Noms. Thank you for
Watching the Nom Noms.
watching the Nom
We're
Noms.
not done yet. And now Melina's going to open the shopping for herself.
Me and Melly are going to open the Squishy Pops first. So let's see who opens the first.
Go! Charm bracelet. These
I
are...
got a little Fluttershy charm bracelet. Didn't you see the Fluttershy?
These are little charms, and I think these are rarities.
Yeah.
Yeah, these are rarities.
I don't know what these are for. Do you know what they're for, Melly?
Wait, which one?
This one. These are for. You know these little charms are for?
I think Melina will tell you no, because she loves My Little Pony. I think, on the video, you need a set with a slide, and then you get to sing them all.
And this is in our other Squishy Pop.
I think that's Fluttershy.
This is
Yeah, that's
Fluttershy.
Fluttershy. So Melina is correct because she knows everything about My Little Pony.
They got Lila! Is it your favorite? Oh. Okay.
This sticks on everyone's phone.
Try to hit this ball at the camera. That's the Fluttershy charm.
This hangs on the phone.
And the reason why they're called Squishy Pops is because when you take them off your phone
They're
flat
squishy.
screen, they're squishy, and then they pop when you pull them off.
Yeah.
That's not on the video yet.
You hear that?
Ah.
Okay, let's connect our hands. Okay.
The...
Boom! Okay, on to our next one. Melly and I are going to be opening the Shopkins.
Let's see what's on fast.
And the reason why it's like this is because
someone already opened it at Toys R Us.
and then we have to tell the person.
And that was the last one, so we had to do it.
Yes. And it was so crazy. They were all sold out, and then the lady told me that I'm actually lucky because
We found them before.
yeah, that was just crazy. And all these toys you can find at Toys R Us, so that's really nice. And then we can open that. And where is
We got a brush. We got a little brush here.
Oh my god! What is this? Is it a question? It doesn't have a nose. No. This is the little
And,
one.
and this has a section.
So that's what it is. And this is the little Shopkin basket.
Whoa.
For some reason, this reminds me of that little fruit crate that you get at like those farmer markets, but they're like outside. So that's what it reminds me of. Nope.
Wait, I'm looking.
Where is? Okay.
This one is peely potato.
Peely potato. What is it? This is a common peely potato.
And what is yours, Tina?
This one is
A brush?
Yeah, it's a brush. It's probably on the back side.
No,
It's right here. Puppy brush. And that has sparkles behind it, which is a shimmy Shopkin.
I was gonna say shimmy shiny.
Here, take
Shiny.
the lid.
Shiny. Can I dance?
I love you.
Wait, okay.
Oh no, I dropped. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching this. And right now, we're gonna have
a dance party.
a dance party.
But Sophia is gonna show us.
No!
Okay, it's a surprise. Sophia was gonna show us. Okay.
Dance, dance, dance! Dance, 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 dance!
Oh
He doesn't have it. Okay, that was it. That was this video. And thank you for watching this video. I know we haven't done any challenges. You know why we haven't done challenges? Because you guys haven't been commenting. So this is all we have to do.
She's saying please.
That's not fun.
She's saying please.
And I'm gonna squish pop your face. I can't do it. Look at Lyra's butt. Luscious. Does she actually have a butt? No.
That's
Okay.
her tail. Okay.
That was this toy review.
Thank you for watching. And
Thank
the
you
next,
for watching.
And then let me dance for you. And the next video will be
No! Okay. Thank you for watching this video.
Look at guys.
Subscribe. Comment. Like.
and the next video. Oh yeah.
Comment if you loved our beautiful dancing and Kylo Ren's sword.
And we'll be doing our next video of Sienna's room tour,
and her room tour as well. So, we will be doing that. Thank you, Leo, for showing your face. And like if you like our foots, because that's how it is. Put your foots in the screen.
Put your foot.